Shalom! My name is Siren Salira.
Editor's note. It took more than 6 months to edit and upload this video, mostly because I was self-conscious about my appearance and the audio quality. And I didn't know how to use the software. So I guess we're doing winter in July, chat!
It is January 1st, 2026, and my New Year's resolution is to make more mermaid content, particularly in the form of videos. So today, I have come to you with an unboxing! Yay! Also, look at the dog. Yeah! Hi, Tom Tom. He's the real reason why I'm okay with living on land and don't just dive back into the ocean like I think about every single day. But anyway, here we are. We're going to be unboxing my latest order from Finfolk. So the box is right over here. I'm just going to grab it. Yeah! Scale mail! And that's the dog. Alright, so let's open this up. Picture went off, but it seems to still be recording. So this is fun. This is all very new to me. We'll get better. Okay, I'm gonna feel a lot better if I can see myself. Oh, the light! I'll be right back. I really wanted to film this during the day so that there would be some natural light, but clearly lighting is something that I still need to figure out. So, here is the box. It's filled with beautiful Finfolk wrapping paper, or tissue paper, which I don't know if you can see that, but that's okay. Now, it's the tail. Can you guess what tail I got? Probably a lot of the people watching this are not familiar with different mermaid tails, but here it is. I'm feeling very awkward, and look at that. Oh, the colors are even prettier than I thought they would be. This is Amphibia. This is one of the more recent tails to come out of Finfolk. Yeah, look at this. So this one was inspired by tropical tree frogs, and as you can see, it is in the perfect colors for me. My favorite color is this green, yellow, green. That isn't for everybody, but I really love it, and the color starts out here at the top of the tail, right in my first favorite color, transitioning all the way down into this red violet, which is my second favorite color. The contrast with the pale blue, oh, it's so beautiful. And as usual, with it comes the sticker. Yay! I'm very excited about this. This is gonna go on my car with all my other mermaid stickers. So, but I also ordered random leggings. So let's see what we got. I see an octopus! Yeah, octopus leggings! Ah! It's me! I actually have one set of leggings like these already, but these are different color ones. They are the steampunk colored. Let me see if I can remember what those are called. It might say in the thing, but first let's look at our other. Oh, no way! No way! It's Dragonheart! Look at this! It's the dragon scales! Oh, I'm so excited about these ones. This was a tail that I came very, very close to getting as my first tail that I bought new. It was down to this and the Nautilus. The Nautilus went out just a little bit. And that one's really, really beautiful. The beige with the red stripes. You can see that in some of my videos. But Dragonheart is still one that I think about. I've always felt really close to dragons, and people always gave me dragon stuff when I was a kid. So basically, I've got my two animals that anyone associates me with, octopus and dragon. Yay! So I'm very excited about this. And yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for sticking with me, and hopefully this video turns out kind of okay. I don't know. So I'll see you next time. Dragon Pin!